Good afternoon, I am Mr. Ish. Thank you for joining me for this video. If you see a question something like this, the integral by secant cube x dx, that's easy because you have this reduction formula here at the very top. You can see it. You can apply that reduction formula once and it easily handles the secant cube x integral. But when you have secant to the power of 5x, it brings in a complexity over here that we need to see. Because now you have to do more than one application of the reduction formula unless you handle this question in a different way. Utilizing here the reduction formula at the very top, you would have to utilize this specific formula in a double manner. N here is equal to 5. You would apply this now. You have 5 minus 2, 5 minus 1. What will that give you? That'll give you 3 over 4. Then you'll have secant here, cube x dx plus that second part, which is not hard. You're just putting n equals 5 and looking at everything over there. Secant cube x tan x over 4. It doesn't seem like we're done here because you have something which can be simplified by another round of reduction formula application. This secant reduction formula, you would apply it right over here. I would put 3 over 4 and then I would apply the round of reduction formula. I'd have n minus 2, n minus 1 and everything which follows, except now in this step n here is equal to 3. Originally it was 5, now it has become a 3. You will apply it based on that. You'll have 3 minus 2, 3 minus 1. You know what that will be? 1 over 2. You'll have a secant x dx plus that second part. You know that'll be a secant x tan x over 2 plus this which sticks around or lingers around from the previous step, secant cube x tan x over 4. You have to integrate this and open it up. You know the integral of secant x is not hard, the antiderivative is not hard. It'll apply with this 3 over 8. 3 over 8 natural log secant x plus tan x. You can write tan x plus secant x, it doesn't matter. I'm writing here in this way. I'm going to bring this next. Secant cube x tan x over 4 plus this with the application of these coefficients, 3 over 8 secant x tan x plus c. This right here would be the antiderivative of your this question and it should be right. You could simplify this further because you have 3 over 8, 1 over 4, 3 over 8. You can simplify all of that. You don't have to. We can leave everything as this. And this answer here would be good. And you can see how here the mere application of that reduction formula once is not sufficient. Because after the first round of application, you still have something which can go on further by another round of reduction formula. But that was the essence of this video. Thank you for watching.